Your antenna review video sucks. There, I said it. It's not that the video is bad. You do well covering the features of the antenna and how easy it is to deploy. The problem comes because it doesn't answer the question everybody has about an antenna, and that's how well it performs. You can't just take the antenna to a park or a beach, make some contacts and say, yeah, that works. This trust me bro approach isn't going to work anymore. You might say, but I do get signal reports. We've all heard those reports. Station asks you for your call sign 3 times and then gives you a 5.9. That's not real data. We need a way to collect real data. So how do we do that? One of the best tools to collect antenna data is a program called WSPR. WSPR uses low power. In my case, I'm running 4 watts with a QDX transmitter. It transmits a signal, and there's receiving stations all around the world that will report their data to websites like WSPR.rocks. To get a better data result, I like to run this in the morning, midday, and in the evening. This helps cover the varying band conditions. Now, while the WSPR data is great for an antenna, it's useless without another antenna to compare it to. The best antenna for this would be a dipole. But I don't have the room in my yard to put up a dipole, so I decided to go with the end-fed half-wave. It's a very common antenna that people use at their house and for POTA. I already have an antenna switch that I use for testing to switch between antennas. So the RG8 coax comes in, and the relays switch between antenna 1 and antenna 2. The relays are controlled by an ESP32 that uses Wi-Fi and connects to my Home Assistant, so I could switch my antennas. Why do I use Home Assistant? Because I have a dashboard already for my office that controls lights, blinds, so it's a convenient place for me to have my antenna switch. So the challenge then becomes, how do we switch between antennas? For this, I wrote a C# console application. It listens to the UDP stream from WSPR, so it knows when it starts and ends a transmit cycle. When it ends transmitting, I then use the Home Assistant API to switch my antenna. The console app then creates a log that lets me know what antenna was transmitting at what time. I could then go to the website WSPR.rocks, enter in my information, and download the JSON file that has the reception reports with timestamps. I could then take those 2 files and compare them. That's a manual process, so I find using AI for this faster. So I take the 2 files and upload it to Claude. I could then ask it questions, but I have a prompt that creates these tables for me. With this, then I could show the performance results of antenna 1 versus antenna 2. Now with this system, we can use the end-fed half-wave as a reference antenna, and any antenna I get into test, we can compare against it. This will give us real data to see how the antenna performs. So is this system 100% perfect? Maybe not. Do you have some ideas to improve it? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to refine this so I could give you a better test result. Thanks for watching.